Okay, if you want to create quick books, so make sure you are selected the AI book generator here, and after that you will click on create quick book, and you will add the title like brain rot social media, and after that you will select your audience. It can be parents, and it could be informative. If you want to give it your name, you can give it, and you can add your description, and after that you will just click on it. It will take some time and it will generate your book. Your book is ready, so you can just check it out. You will open it and you will see its beautiful cover image, and you will have all the chapter details here. You can interact with it, you can visit it, you can see in their images as well. And after that you will see and read the book. You will have a beautiful reader here. You can easily read the book. Here you can see the beautiful cover image, and after that you have all the details of the chapters. You can go step by step. You can use this through these buttons, and after that if you want to download this book, you can come here and you can download in PDF, or you can print in docs and everything.